Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button, like and share. Okay, so today we're going to Mamak for Roti Canai. Hello guys, so today we are walking out to get some breakfast, local breakfast. We're going to Mamak. I'm looking forward to have some roti telur and teh tarik. So today is the first day of RMCO recovery. What is it? MCO?
Movement Control Order.
Yeah, recovery movement control order. First day today. Mama is very common in Malaysia, so usually the shop open for 24/7. But now since we are in the RMCO phase, they have a very limited operation time. So today we are just going to the closest Mamak. We're just gonna walk. Looks like a lot of people starting to go out already. Well, let's see. There's a lot of cars. We are reaching soon. So the first Mamak that we want to go closed. So we are going to another one. It's just right behind of this building. Okay, let's see. There's a lot of people going. It's still empty though. Not many people going to Mamak, I guess. So here we are, Nasi Kandar Haji Sulaiman. I think I've been here like back in the days many years ago. Wow. Okay, looks like it's quite strict, so we have to keep our social distancing. Everyone is sitting like 1 meter away. Wow, look at all the dishes here. Wow, nice. And this is local cakes. So here my teh tarik has arrived, and this is kopi ice or iced coffee. Wow. And this is my roti telur. Is a roti with egg inside. We eat it with dal and spicy sambal. Makan. So this is for Mr. Bebe. Mr. Bebe is having roti kosong with cheese roti or roti cheese. He likes it with curry. One thing about Malaysia is we eat with hand, and Mr. Baby is eating with hands too. Impressive. Okay, so we are heading back home now. Looks like a trailer trying to make a U-turn. Careful everybody. So alright guys, so that's all for today. Stay tuned for more videos.